Hey, hi Abangers, it's me Gilbert, welcome to my page. So last time pinag-usapan natin yung 3 digital bank kung saan kikita or tutubo yung savings natin. So ngayon naman pag-usapan natin yung 3 investment kung saan pwedeng mas kumita yung pera natin. So meron tayong tatlong investment na pag-uusapan today. Ito yung stocks investment, bonds investment, and cash equivalent investment. So, meron tayo ditong short-term investment, long-term investment, and retirement. So, let's start. Una muna tayo sa stock investment. So, dito sa stock investment, ito yung pagbebenta ng share of stock ng mga company. Tapos, bibili tayo. Kapag nakabili tayo, ang tawag sa atin, stockholder. Stockholder. Ayun. So, paano tayo kumikita? For example, magbigay ako. Bibili tayo ng share of stock sa Jollibee. Pero hindi tayo makakabili ng paisa-isa lang. Ang minimum share of stock na pwedeng bilhin, kunwari, 10. Tapos yung value, for example, nag-check ako ngayon, 222 pesos per share. I-times mo lang siya sa 10, so meron tayong total of 2,220. Tapos, paano tayo kikita? Ibebenta natin siya, kunwari, after a week or a month. Tapos, yung value na ng isang share ay 300 per example. I-times mo siya sa 10, meron kang 3,000 pesos. So, syempre, i-minus mo yung in-invest mo na 2,220, meron kang kinitang 780 pesos. So, yun. Sana napaliwanag ko and ganun tayo kumikita sa stocks investment. Next naman punta tayo sa bonds investment. Dito naman, you're lending money to a company or governmental entity such as city, state, and nation. Ayan. So, dito naman, si bonds investment naman is on the interest rate established by the issuer of the bonds. Doon naman siya nakabase. And si bonds investment is considered as a more stable investment. So, dito na papasok yung mga maturity date, ano pa ba? Face value. Tapos, si bond investment naman ay nagbibigay or required to repay the original loan amount ng bondholder. Ayan. Tapos, next naman tayo sa cash equivalent investment. Sa cash equivalent investment naman is protect your original investment and let you have access to your money. So, si cash equivalent investment din naman, dyan papasok yung stable rate of investment or of return and consider din siya as a long-term investment or for retirement. So, yan yung tatlong investment na research ko. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa tatlong investment na to and may napili kayo kung saan mas mag-grow yung pera nyo kasi merong mga mas prepared yung long term, short term, or for retirement. So, yun lang. That's it. Bye!